Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is so in this illustration we have Rimaga Limited makes the main products using broadly the same production methods and equipment for each. A commercial product costing system is used at present, although an activity-based costing system (ABC system) is being considered. The details of three products for typical period are labor hour 0.5, 1.5 and 1. The products are X, Y and Z. Machine hour 1.5, 1 and 3. Material per unit 2, 12 and 25. Volume 750, 1250 and 7000. For the details, direct labor cost 6 per hour and production overhead are absorbed on a machine hour basis. The rate for the period is 28 per machine hour. And you are required number A, calculate the cost per unit of each product using conventional method. Future analysis shows that the total production overhead can be divided as follows. Setup 35, machinery 20, material handling 50, inspection 30 and total 100. So these are the percentage basis. Then the following activities volumes are associated with the product for the period of a whole. Setup cost 75, 115 and 48. Total 670. Movements 12, 21, 87. Total 120. Inspection 150, 180 and 670. Total 1000. Requirement number 2, to calculate the cost per unit of each product using ABC principle. To comment on the reason for any difference in the cost in your answer to requirement 1 and 2. So guys, first of all, going ahead with the solution, statement showing computation of cost using traditional method. So the traditional method is like absorption costing method. So going ahead, the volume or units manufactured will be 750, 1250 and 7000. The machine hour will be 1.5, 1 and 3. Therefore total hours will be, when we multiply the unit with machine hour, 750 into 1.5, 1125. The same way 1250 and 21,000. Therefore the total hour will be 23,375. Then we have material cost. Material cost will be 20, 12 and 25. The labor rate is 6 per hour. Labor cost is at 6 rate. Then the cost will be 3, 9 and 6. Overhead at 28 per hour. Therefore 28 multiplied by labor cost per hour, which is 1 machine hour. Machine hour will be 28 into 1.5 and 28 into 1 will give 28, and then 28 into 3 will give 84. Therefore the total cost will be 65, 49 and 115. Total overhead cost will be 65 into 750, 49 multiplied by 1250, 1250, and the same way 150 multiplied by 7000. Therefore the total cost would be 6,54,500. The total cost is 6,54,500 as mentioned in the question. I will explain how to compute the costing as per the ABC activity based system. The first statement saying computation of cost at different activities. Setup. Therefore, we know the total cost as 6,54,500. Therefore, the setup cost will be the cost multiplied by the percentage given, which is 35 for setup and 20 for machinery and 15 for material handling and inspection 30%. Therefore, the cost will be 22,29,075 for setup, 1,30,000 for machinery, material handling 98,175 and 1,05,350 for inspection. Going ahead, activity cost pool. So now we have the cost driver and now we are going to calculate the activity cost per unit. Therefore, we have the cost as setup cost and the cost driver will be the production run. Therefore, the total cost is 22,29,075 and total production run is 670. Therefore, 2,29,075 divided by 670 will give the cost driver per unit as 341.9. Going ahead with machinery cost, the cost driver will be machine hour. The total machine cost is 1,30,900 and total machine hour will be 23,375. Therefore, 1,30,900 divided by 23,375 will give 5.6 per hour. Next one is inspection. Cost driver is number of receipt. The inspection cost is 1,96,350 and the number of receipt is 1000. Therefore, 1,96,350 divided by 1000 will give the cost per hour as 1 lakh. Cost driver per cost pool per unit. Cost driver per unit is 1,96,000.35. Next one is material handling. Cost driver is number of material handled. The total cost is 98,175. The number of material handled is 120. Therefore, 98,175 divided by 120 will give 818. Now, statement showing computation of cost as per the given details. Sales unit as always discussed 750, 1,001, 250 and 7,000. Machine hours 1125, 1250 and 21,000. Direct material 20, 12, 25. Labor hour 369. Now we have prime cost. Prime cost is when we add material plus labor, that is 23, 21 and 31. Now we have setup cost. Setup cost is 31, 34, 31 and 28. And for machinery 8.4, 5.6 and 36. Material handling 13.9 and 13.7 and 10.1. Inspection 39.27, 28.27 and 18.79. Therefore, the total cost will be 117 for product X and 100 for 100.024 for product Y and 100.2 for product Z. So guys, now I will explain how the setup cost per unit has been formed. For that we need to take the cost per unit. So here the cost driver per unit is 341. Therefore 341 multiplied by number of setups. So number of setups will be 75. Therefore, 345 multiplied by 75 divided by total unit. Total unit will be 750. In the same way, 341. 341 multiplied by 115 divided by 1250 will give you 31.48, and so on. So guys, all the activities shall be mentioned, all the activities shall be computed, all the cost of the activity per unit shall be converted, like cost per driver multiplied by cost driver for the unit divided by total unit produced. So if you apply this formula into all activities, you will get the cost per unit. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.